Learning Kiddos presents. Interested in learning more about jungle animals? Find out what kind of animals live in the jungle, what they eat, and how to make cool jungle crafts. The jungle is a really cool place to explore. Meet cool animals like monkeys and alligators. Let's go! Our first jungle animal is the alligator. They live in the southeastern United States. American alligators weigh up to 1,000 pounds and grow up to 15 feet long. Their habitat includes rivers, lakes, ponds, and swamps. While they might look a bit funny walking, they are great swimmers with massive, strong tails. As fierce as she looks, Mother Alligator is a great mom. First, she makes a nest for her eggs. When they hatch, she carries them in her mouth to the water and protects them from predators. Did you know that alligators can go through over 2,000 teeth in their lifetime? Every time a tooth wears down or falls out, it is replaced. Alligators are omnivores. They love meat, fish, birds, and mammals, but also eat fruit. Our next jungle animal is the toucan. Toucans are known for their large, colorful beaks. Fun fact, the beak is made of keratin. It is the same substance that hair is made of. This way, the beak is very light. As they don't have large wings, they tend to hop around instead of flying. Let's meet the colorful chameleon. Chameleons change color to attract mates, scare predators, or regulate body temperature. They mostly live in deserts and rainforests in Africa. Their long tongue helps them catch snacks. It rolls out and snaps. It catches a cricket. As omnivores, they eat insects like crickets, grasshoppers, and plants. Their eyes can roll in different directions at once, giving them a great view. Let's meet the elephant. A special kind of elephant lives in the jungle, the African forest elephant. Those impressive mammals can weigh up to 7 tons. They are herbivores, so they only eat grass and other plants like berries. Their trunk gets up to 7 feet long and is like a nose and a hand in one. Because of its muscles, the trunk can even grab little berries. A lot of frogs live in the jungle of the Amazonas. Some of them, like this harlequin poison frog, are poisonous, and others are not. The golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous of all. Our last jungle animal is the monkey. Here, you can see the spider monkey. They are called this because they have long legs and arms like spiders. Did you know that they live in a large community of about 20 to 100 male and female monkeys? It is an omnivore and mainly feeds on fruits and plants, but also likes bugs and small insects. Looking for cool craft ideas on our topic? Make a cootie catcher and answer questions about jungle animals. Look at my Pinterest board for more ideas. Do you like this video? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.